So,
Oh, last night was a 10.
yeah. So I'll see you again.
We'll see.
Can I get my phone, please?
I'll get it. Okay. Here's your phone.
Thank you.
भैया कितना टाइम लगेगा?
थोड़ा पुराना ताला है मैडम, 20 मिनट तो जाएगा ही।
20 minutes? Listen, you can go. I'll manage.
Are you have 20 minutes, no? Let's get breakfast.
You didn't really have to do this.
I feel honored to break your no breakfast rule.
See, for the first few days, all of us try to look our best. You know, behave properly.
Yeah.
My eyeliner was perfectly winged, yaar.
I think अगर तू मुझे मेसी बालों में पजामा पहन के कॉफी पीते हुए क्रोसान खाते हुए सड़क पे मिलेगी वो भी पसंद आएगी.
Yeah, very funny. There's nothing wrong actually. I just feel I'm not ready to show it to the people already.
And when do you think you'll be ready?
Probably after 3 days.
Okay. So if last night was date 1 and breakfast was date 2.
Okay, shut up. Bye. Do you want to stay for lunch?
I would love to.